All right, so we all know that building a website needs images and icons and all those videos and other stuff to make your website unique and beautiful. So I'm going to show you some few websites you can be able to get images from. Now the first website I'm going to show you is Unsplash. So there is a website called unsplash.com. Now you can get free images over there, and then you can be able to download it for free. Okay, so over here all the images that you download are for free. You can get all the images for free over here. So as you can see, we have what Unsplash over here. Okay, so just search for any image that you want. So let's say you are building a travel website and then you need something like a flight or something. So you can just type in anything that you want relating to a keyword that deals with your business, and then you can get images towards there. So let's say we say flight. Okay, so let's say flight takeoff. All right, so as you can see, you can get images relating to your business, and you see all the other beautiful images over here. All these images are free. You can download them and then use on your website. So let's say I just need this particular image over here. I can just click on it to view the full size of it, and as you can see, this is how it looks like. And I can click over here to download for free. Now when I click over here, I'll see the sizes involved in this image over here, and if I want, let's say I want to download the medium, I can click over there, and then it will download for me over here, and then I can be able to use it. So as you can see, that's finished downloading. If I go to my the folder to see the image, I can see it over here. Okay, and that is it. So this is the first website that you can get free images from. Now the second website is also called Pixabay. Pixabay.com. So Pixabay.com is also a free website you can be able to get images from. So as you can see, they are having royalty free images and royalty free stock. Okay, so you can get images. If you look over here, if you click over here, you can get images, you can photos, you can get illustrations, you can get vectors, you can get videos, you can get music, you can get sounds, you can get what GIFs, you can get anything that you want. Okay, so all of them you can really get it from Pixabay over here. So let's say I want maybe a cryptocurrency. I'm doing a cryptocurrency website and I want something like a crypto Bitcoin or something. So I can be able to just type in Bitcoin over here, and then it will give me a lot of crypto images that I will use for my website. Now remember that the first one that appears over here, it says was sponsored images and it's from iStock. Okay, and if you click on all these images, it will take you to a different website, but move to the royalty free over here and then just look through these royalty free images. And as you can see, if I want this one, I'll just click on it over here, and then I can be able to go ahead and just download it. Okay, so if you see over here, I can click over here and then choose a size that I want to download and click on download to download. So if I click over here and choose maybe any size that I want, I can just click on download, and then it's going to download for me. Okay, so that is also what Pixabay.com. Pixabay.com. Now the next one also that I'm going to show you is called Pexels. Okay, so Pexels over here is also one of the how do I say, the stock free images and videos that you can use for your website. So Pexel over here, and then you see Pexel.com. You can just go over there and you're gonna get best free stock photos, royalty free images and videos shared by creators. Okay, so you can choose between videos and photos over here, and you can be able to get all these very beautiful images that you want. Okay, so let's say I want photos of maybe a dog barking, okay, or something like that. So I can be able to go ahead and change this one from photos to images, videos, and then I can be able to, you know, search through it and then get what I want done. All right, so when I click over here, I'm just going to choose this one over here, and then I can search through, let's say, dog backing. Okay, so let's say dog backing. Is that how they spell the backing? Let me just try it and see. All right, so as you can see, I can see a lot of what dog over here, and then, you know, all the videos that you want. So let's say I want this one, the cute. This is very nice. I can click over here, and then I can be able to just view it and see how it looks like. So as you can see, you can watch the video and then you can download them for free. Okay, and that is also what Pexels. Now with Pexels you can get images, you can get videos. With Pixabay you can also get images, you can also get videos. Okay, so as you can see, this is the video over here playing, and then you can be able to you know, see the dog barking and other stuff. So I'm going to just close this one over here and then move on to the next one. All right, so now the next one that we're going to talk about is icons. For icons, so if you want icons to be able to use to create you know, stunning graphics on your website, then this one is for you. So there is this website called Flaton. Okay, so Flaton. Now Flaton, you can get icons over there. So you see Flaton icons. I can just go over there, and as you can see, this is what Flaton .com over here. Now if I click over here, you'll be able to get icons in different formats. Okay, so not just icons, you can even get stickers. Okay, so free icons and symbols, icons and stickers, and a whole lot of things that you can use to create your website. So let's just click over here and go to Flaton, and as you can see, this is Flaton over here. So you can search for icons in any kind of business. So let's say I'm searching, you know, I am creating a hospital website and I need icons for let me just close this one, and I need icons for maybe you know, some facilities or some doctors or other stuff. So I can just say maybe doctors over here. Okay, and then I can be able to just search for it, and it will give you a lot of icons relating to doctors. Okay, so as you can see, doctor icons 51,900 and blah blah blah. Okay, so as you can see, I can get so many icons relating to doctors. It is still loading. So these are all icons relating to doctors. Okay, depending on the keyword that you type in it, that is what you're gonna get. Okay, so as you can see, a lot of icons over here. Now let's say I'm creating my own personal website. Okay, and then I need, you know, icon relating to, let's say, you know, the business or the services I offer, like digital marketing and other stuff. So let's say I go over here and I type in digital marketing. Okay, and then I search for it. It's going to give me icons relating to digital marketing. Okay, so as you can see, these are all icons relating to digital marketing, and they will give you beautiful icons. Now what I love about this ones is that you can even edit the colors and other stuff of it if you want to. So if I click on it right now, I can click over here to edit the icon. I can even change you know, what I want over here. Okay, I can click over here to change it from different I can click over here to edit, but before you can edit it, unless you are signed in. Okay, so if you haven't signed in, you cannot be able to edit this particular place. So make sure that you sign in with your Google account, and then it will be very easy for you to be able to edit it. So that is Flaton. That is Flaton for you. So it is a very beautiful website. You can get all icons from. I use this one a lot in most of my web designs. I download icons from here. The free ones are the PNG ones. Okay, the SVG, and then other ones are all paid. Okay, so note that. So this is what Flaticon. Now the last one I'm going to talk about is what we call Undraw. Undraw illustrations. Okay, so there is a website called Undraw illustrations, and then it gives you illustrations to be able to use in creating your website. So if I click over here and I go to Undraw illustrations, I can be able to search for any illustrations that I need for my website. Okay, so if I click over here, I can search, type in whatever I want. So let's say I want maybe an illustration for contact. Okay, so I can just search for it, and as you can see, I'll get different illustrations for contact. Now what really is nice about this website is that you can be able to change the colors right away from here. So if I click over here and I want different color, like let's say this particular color over here, and as you can see, the colors have changed. Okay, now let's say I want an orange color. Okay, so as you can see, the colors have changed over here. I can be able to go ahead and then let's say if I want this particular one, download it as SVG or download it as what PNG, either for your blog or for any project that you want. Okay, and that is what undraw.co, Undraw illustrations over here. So these are the places you can be able to get free stock images, icons and illustrations and videos for your web design project.